Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a wonderful delicious snack called Cheerios. Alright, Cheerios is snack that can be taken by adults and children. You can take your Cheerios with chocolate dip. It's very yummy, it's fantastic. But today we are not going to be taking our Cheerios with chocolate. We are taking our Cheerios with icing, you know, that creamy icing sugar mixed with your very own cream. So for us to make this delicious snack, let's head to the kitchen. So guys, this is all we'll be needing for our delicious snack today. So this is normal regular flour. This is about 2 cups of flour. We have 2 eggs and some butter. We have salt and also cinnamon sugar for coating our Cheerios. Here we have 2 cups of milk. I will not be using this whole milk. I will be using 1.5 cups of milk. I am saving the rest of the milk for my next recipe. And of course we'll be needing a piping bag to give our Cheerios a very wonderful and gorgeous looking shape. We'll also need scissors to cut it off from our piping bag. It's quite easy to use kitchen scissors. Please do not use any other scissors that is dirty or something. You can also use knife if you want to. Some people use their hands, but if you want your Cheerios to be classic, you will need a piping bag and also a scissors. And of course we'll need a mixing bowl. Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to pour in our milk. And next I'm going to be adding the butter. So you're going to allow the butter to melt completely and bring this to boil. So once it starts boiling, you're going to turn off your flame, and then now we're going to add our salt to our flour. That's about ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm eyeballing this. If you're not good with eyeballing, then you should use a teaspoon to measure your salt. Then you turn your flour slowly and gently into your milk and stir continuously until you get that perfect dough that you wanted. So as you can see, we've got this lovely fluffy dough in here. You see that? So normally some people use water for their Cheerios, but I prefer using milk because it gives it that fluffiness and it really tastes better when you use milk for your recipe. So normally people who use hand to shape their Cheerios, they stop at this point and they just like fetch into their hands and give it that shape just like this, and you're ready to fry your Cheerios. But mine is different. I want these Cheerios to be fluffy because I'm gonna use a piping bag to give it that shape. So for that I will need to transfer this into my very own mixing bowl. So guys, we've allowed this to cool down slightly. So now I'm going to crack my egg into this. Make sure to wipe your hands after touching the raw eggs. So I'm just gonna whisk this all together until I get that fluffy mixture. Don't worry that it looks as if they're all like tearing apart, it will surely come together when you keep on stirring them. So guys, see, everything has come together. You can use your kitchen aid, your hand mixer for this, but I just use a hand whisk for this. It's a little bit difficult, but it's better if you do it with your hands. I prefer doing it that way. So now we're just going to dish this into our piping bag. So, wow, it smells really delicious. A little at a time. You don't want to create a mess. Oh my god. So guys, you heat up your oil in the pan for a deep frying. Once your oil is been heated up, so you're just going to go ahead and this is really fun. You can do this with your kids at home. You can do it when friends visit you for a home party. Wow, look at that goldish. Oh my god, I love this. It looks amazing. It smells good as well. So once your churros are golden brown, just like this, it's ready for you to take off the heat. So first we're gonna lay this in the kitchen paper to remove excess oil. So guys, the churros is ready and it's super gorgeous, super crunchy. So we're just going to like sprinkle our cinnamon sugar all over it. If you want to take this without the cinnamon sugar, then you should eat this with some barbecue sauce or some ketchup. But if you're going to use a chocolate dip, like for a dessert, it is very important for you to add this cinnamon sugar. This is just 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar plus 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It is gorgeous, wonderful, and it's going to give these churros a wonderful sweetness. So today we're eating our own churros with whipping cream. Into this whipping cream, I've added just a little bit of powdered sugar. So look at how fluffy it is. So I'm just going to break this so you could look into the inside. You could dip this into this icing, you know, this creamy. It's super yummy. All right, let's give it a try. This is wonderful. It's amazing. It's yummy. It's delicious, guys. So please do try this in your kitchen with your children and even with your friends. This is really delicious and it's amazing. Today, I hope you love this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, please hit that bell button to get notification when I post my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.